Stihl Hedge trimmer won't rev up. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. Now, you might have different models than I do. I currently have a HS56 and I also have a HS45. So if you have the same model, you can follow along. If you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to never miss another upcoming video. We would highly appreciate that. Thank you so much. Now, both of these models in particular have spark arrestors in them. If a spark arrestor gets clogged full of carbon buildup, then the air can't draw out of the exhaust system, thence not giving you proper throttle and proper operations on your hedge trimmer. Now, before you proceed with removing your spark arrestor, make sure that your engine is completely cool before trying to remove this spark arrestor. So here we have a 3/8 ratchet with a 15mm deep well socket. I always prefer a deep well. We're going to go ahead and install that socket and turn it counterclockwise to loosen it. We're going to go ahead and unthread the spark arrestor. This is what the spark arrestor looks like. And as you can see, you can clearly see through my spark arrestor. There's not a lot of carbon buildup on yours though. You might have this spark arrestor clogged full of carbon, and we are going to have to clean that carbon off. You do not have to buy a brand new spark arrestor. Do not listen to your dealers. They will try to lie to you and try to sell you a part without actually cleaning it. These are very easy, very simple to clean. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. For the cleaning process, what I like to do is I like to mount the spark arrestor onto a vise grip like so. And what I have here is just our torch. We're going to go ahead and light a torch. If you have a lighter, you can go ahead and use a lighter as well. But we're going to use the torch today just to make life a little bit more easier. Now with the torch, we want to get this screen red hot. As you can see, it will start smoking on you. The carbon will start to burn off, which is perfectly normal. So again, get it red hot. And if you do not have a brush already, go ahead and get yourself a brush handy. What I have there is just a battery terminal brush. Now you do not have to let the carbon burn off. The brush will do most of the work. You just have to get it red hot, get the flame around it, and that should be good. Now while the spark arrestor is hot, go ahead and get yourself a brush and just brush off all of the carbon from the spark arrestor. And just make sure that you can see through the spark arrestor. As you can see, we can see the back side of that screen. After you got it brushed off, go ahead and use an air gun to clean off any of the carbon that it remains on the screen. And now we are ready to install our spark arrestor. Now, if you have it clamped on the vise, you can just go ahead, slide it right in and catch the threads and just thread it all the way in. That's why I like to use vice grips. As you can see, it just makes life so much easier when installing these spark arrestors. Go ahead and remove your vise. Now grab your 15mm socket and ratchet and tighten it up by hand. Do not over tighten it. I mean, you do not have to tighten it like crazy. Just snug it up just a bit to where it's held in place. So whether your Stihl Hedge trimmer is not revving up or just bogging or not throttling all the way, whichever you want to call it, hopefully you can clean the spark arrestor and hopefully that'll fix your issue on your Stihl Hedge trimmer. This has been Phil with Phil Small Engine Nation. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. One more thing real quick. If it did not solve your problem, your revving problem, it could again be your inline fuel filter, fuel line, something along the lines of a gasket leaking. I'm not too sure. So unfortunately, this will not work for everybody. This will not fix all of everybody's issues, but more than 90% of the time, it is a clogged spark arrestor. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care. God bless you. And we will see you in the next episode.